Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a folder in Windows 11 with a password. First, right-click on the folder you want to lock and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Advanced button. Now, click the box that says Encrypt Contents to Secure Data. Then, click OK. Next, click Apply. A message will appear asking if you want to apply changes to just the folder or the folder and its contents. Select Apply Changes to this folder only and click OK. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a message that says Pick up your file encryption key. Click on it. Then, click on Backup Now. A wizard will open to help you back up your encryption key. Click Next. Now, choose the format you want to save the encryption key in, then click Next again. Check the box that says Password, then enter a strong password. Enter the same password again to confirm it. From the drop-down menu, choose the encryption type you prefer. Then, click Next. Now, type a name for the backup file. Click Browse to choose where you want to save the backup file on your PC. Before finishing, double-check that all your settings are correct. Then, click Finish. Your folder is now encrypted and protected. Anyone who tries to access it will need your password. Now, go back and check the folder, it's secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.